Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Next topic is covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond means sharing of electrons between electrons between two atoms is called covalent bond. Sharing of electrons between two atoms, either different or same atoms, is called covalent bond. For example, H2 molecule, hydrogen, its atomic number 1, so 1s1. Another hydrogen, you can say Ha, Hb, it is the electronic configuration 1s1, it is also 1s1. So here hydrogen, so it having one electron, is having only one electron. So sharing of electrons between two atoms is the formation of H2 molecule. Due to it is the stable electronic configuration, so it is equal to, in this two electrons is there. For example, helium is the noble gas element, the total it having two electrons is there. So helium means it is the noble gas element, so it is the more stable than other elements. Another example we can take, actually in covalent bond non-metals are involved in the bond formation. For example, F2 molecule, fluorine, its atomic number 9, you can write 1s2 configuration, 2s2, 2p5. This is the outermost cell, K cell and L cell. Here outermost cell we can write 2s2, 2p5, 5 electrons. Here one single electron is there, but it is not a stable. So we can take another fluorine, you can say Fa, Fb equal, so both in this, in valence electrons, number of valence electrons is 7, 2, 2, 1. So both having, we can write here each fluorine having 1, 2, 3 lone pairs and one bond pair or unpaired. So bond pair, lone pair means two electrons present in the only one orbital in outermost cell is called, that is the lone pair, you can say LP. So this is the unpaired, UP. So each fluorine having 3 lone pairs, it is also same. Only one single electron is there, each fluorine having. So this is sharing of electrons between two atoms, that is called covalent bond. Next topic is properties of covalent bond. Covalent bond. So it is the opposite of ionic compound properties. So it is first property, covalent compounds are gases and liquids at room temperature. This is one of the property. Second one is it has low melting points and boiling points. Third, generally covalent compounds are soluble in non-polar solvents. This is the very important bit. Non-polar solvents like benzene and alcohol. This is the properties of covalent compounds. Next topic is Vesper theory. So Vesper theory means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. It is first proposed by Sedgwick and Powell. Later developed by Nyholm and Gillespie. So, Vesper theory was first proposed by Sedgwick and Powell, developed by Nyholm and Gillespie. So, according to Vesper theory, according to Vesper theory, now we are find out the which one is bond pair, which one is lone pair. First identify that one. First lone pair, very important, lone pair and bond pair. So what is means lone pair and what is means bond pair? For example, you can say one example. For example, fluorine, its atomic number 9, configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. We can write this is K shell, L shell, means 2, 7. K shell having 2 electrons, L shell having 7 electrons. Now we can write configuration. We can write helium, outermost configuration 2s2, 2p5. 2s just having 2 electrons, p having 5 electrons, 2 electrons and 5 electrons. So here which one is lone pair? Lone pair means in outermost shell, in every orbit having 2 electrons present in one orbital means that is the lone pair. This is also lone pair. This is also lone pair. Single electron means bond pair or unpaired. Both are equal. Unpaired means it is not paired before paired. So here this is the only one single electron, this is the one unpaired, or bond pair, unpaired or bond pair. So here fluorine having how many lone pairs? and how many bond pairs. So fluorine having lone pairs, 3 lone pairs and 1 bond pair. This is the lone pair and bond pair. And we can take another example, oxygen. It's like atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, K cell, L cell, 2, 6, 2, 6. We can write helium, 2s2, 2p4, 2s having 2 electrons, p orbital having 4 electrons. So here oxygen having how many lone pairs and bond pairs or unpairs. Oxygen having, this is one lone pair, this is also one lone pair, this is 2 bond pairs. So totally oxygen having 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. This is the lone pair and bond pair.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this